Okay, phone is definitely recording now. So this is at the Perry Bay Sheep Farm. In case you're wondering where this is. Some more over there. A lot of like sometimes it's hit and miss with this place. You'll come by here and they won't be anywhere, but today we got lucky and they were up by the fence where we could actually get some footage here. A little pan out. Our daughter will like that one. Some of them are like dark color. I don't really know much about sheep. Whenever I have sheep related questions, I just talk to my daughter. She's like an expert.